So here's Utthita Trikonasana, means extended triangle pose. First, stand in Tadasana, spread apart the legs sideways 3 to 3.5 feet. Then turn the right foot sideways 90 degrees to the right. Then raise your arms sideways in a line with your shoulders, palms facing down, keeping the arms parallel to the floor. Keeping the left leg stretched from the inside and tighten at the knee. Exhale, bend the right trunk sideways to the right, bringing the right palm near the ankle. If possible, right palm should rest completely on the floor. Stretch the left arm up, bringing it in a line with the right shoulder and extend the trunk. The back of the leg, the back of the chest and hips should be in one line. Gaze at the left thumb of the outstretched left hand. Keep the right knee locked tight by pulling the kneecap and keep the right knee facing the toes. Remain in this posture from half a minute to a minute, breathing deeply and evenly. Then lift the right palm from the floor back to wide leg standing position. Then turn the left foot sideways 90 degrees to the left and repeat the same. Hari Om.